Okay, so I have a matrix here. Oh, well, I have a system of solutions I'm going to solve by a matrix. I want to show you what it's going to look like if you get no solution. So remember that in any, problem, whether it's a single, equation or multiple system, we can get no solution or all reals. Now we're calling no solution in this inconsistent, and they're calling all reals dependent. And I have a video up on dependent as well to what it looks like in your calculator. So the first thing you're going to do, because obviously you don't know that when you look at the first system, is you're going to rewrite into a matrix just like you do anything else. So I'm going to do that. So I get 2, and I'm going to W, X, Y, Z answer. I always, kind of across the top. Actually, let's move it down a little bit so I can see here. I always start by, kind of W, X, Y, Z answer so that I know for later what's what. And so then I'm going to get 2, 1, -2, -1, 3, 1, -2, 1, 1, 4. And then my next row is -1, -8, 7, 5, 13, 3, 1, -2, 2, 6. So this is my matrix, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go put this into my calculator, because again, at this point, I don't know that anything's going to be different. I'm going to go second, the negative inverse here. So then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go edit. And I'm going to go down to C. And I'm going to put in a 4 by 5, which is what this is. And I have 2, 1, -2. And I wrote this down, so don't think I've got this memorized because I do not. 1, 1, 4. And then -1, -8, 7, 5, 13, okay, 3. Isn't this always just so tedious? But we got to do it because we know it's easier than if we were solving this by hand. Okay, so let's go back and let's double check. 2, 1, 1, -1, 3. And then 2, -1, 7, 2, -1, -1, 5, 2. And then 4, 3. Okay, so we got them all in there. Now we're going to exit out. We're going to go back to our matrix menu. We're going to go over to math. We want to go to RREF, just like we've been doing. I'm going to select my matrix, and this time I chose matrix C. And then I'm going to tell it to do it. Now, again, I'm going to switch this to fractions. Okay, what you're going to notice this bottom row. I've got 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Well, that tells me that 0, because none of these, right, is x, y, or z. This tells me 0 equals 1. Is this true? No. So this means no solution. So in the dependent, you're going to get an entire row of zeros. It's a true statement, right? That's your context clue. Your context clue on this one, I'm going to transfer this over here and just rewrite this. 1, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 0. I mean, the rest of these don't really matter, but I'm writing it down anyways because I don't know, because I feel like it. 1, 16 thirds, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this bottom row, this is our context clue here, okay, says that, oh, 0 equals 1. Oh, no, it doesn't. So this means no solution, okay? So in the dependent, you're going to get an entire 0. You're going to get that 0, 0. You're going to get that true statement, and then you go back and you set up the relationship. In a no solution, you're going to get a false statement. Again, this is how we learned how to solve these back in day 1. When we first started solving regular, just single variable equations, is if you got a true statement, it was all reals. If you got a false, it was no solution. Same thing here. This bottom row is your context clue, and it is saying that, oh, you've got a false statement. Oh, no solution. I'm done. I don't have to worry about anything else. I'm just done. Okay? The rest of these I could set up. I could say that, x minus, w minus 3z equals 0, but it's not going to help me because I get this false statement down here. Okay? So this is what's going to tell you, and it's giving you this false statement, and all that means is no solution and you're done. Cool, right?